Beloved Huzoor, prior to becoming the Khalifa Waqt, how was Huzoor Anwar able to keep such a strong relationship with the Khalifa of the time? What would Huzoor Anwar advise us in America to do so we can achieve a similar closeness with Khilafat?
I was brought up in such an atmosphere where I was taught that there is no spiritual life without Khilafat. When I dedicated my life, I went to Africa. I used to write to Khilafat al-Masih Salas and then to Khilafat al-Masih Rabi. Also, I used to pray for myself that I always remain close to the Khilafat and never ever do something which disturbs Khalifa of the time. And this is how you can strengthen your bond with Khilafat. You should also do in the same way. Try to make personal contact and relation with the Khalifa al-Masih and pray for him daily in your daily prayers. And for yourself as well, that Allah strengthens you in your faith and the bond with and relation with the Khalifa al-Masih. Okay?